What happens after you place an order for a custom key tag? So the moment you place an order on our website, it comes directly here. Let me show you. This is today's order. And this is a completely blank key tag. Right now, it has no identity. Now we prepare the laser engraving machine. And this is where the magic happens. From a blank piece of metal to something personal. And this one is going out today.